Hey guys, Shabazz here from Adam's Tech Guide, and in this video I am going to explain you guys the term called VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. I'm going to divide this video into two parts. In the first part of this video, I am going to explain you guys what is this VPN service and how does it works. And in the second part, I'm going to give you guys a practical example of how to activate this service on your Google Chrome browser and how to use this service on it. I'm going to give you guys a disclaimer that this video is only for educational purpose and learning purpose. Please do not use this video for any of the activity which is not legal. So yeah, without wasting any further ado, let's get started with the video. So guys, let's start the video. This is going to be a first part of the video wherein I will be explaining you guys what exactly is the VPN connection and how does it works. So first of all, I'm going to let you guys know what is this VPN stands for. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. As the name indicates, it provides you a virtual private network which is a secured connection. So whenever you guys are using VPN, it provides you a kind of tunnel by which your data gets transferred. No one can read that data because it has got multiple layer of security. So guys, this is the diagram which we will be using to understand how this connection works. Again guys, you guys have to bear with me for this diagram. I am not a good painter so I've just used Windows Paint program to make this diagram and just to explain you guys things in a more precise way. Please don't get confused by this. I'm gonna make things really simple for you to understand. So this is the tunnel from which your data goes to the server, and this is the tunnel from which the server responds back to the request you send. So guys, this is our computer. So whenever you go to a web browser, type in the website address and press enter, your computer sends a request to a server in the face of packets. Now once the server receives that request, the server replies back to that request again in the face of packet. So this is the packets which are going from your computer to the server, and it comes back from the server to your computer, displaying you the website you want to access. So guys, this is how the things works. So there are certain scenarios wherein I type in the website address and I don't get any web page because that particular website is not accessible from my location. So I'm in India. There might be few websites which are not accessible from my location. So if I send a request to the server, I won't get any reply from it because that particular resource or that particular thing is not allowed in my location. So by using the VPN connection, I'm going to trick the server that I'm coming from some different location. So my request will be getting routed from a different location. It will give me the option to select a country from which I want to route my data. By using the VPN connection, I will be able to route my data from some different country altogether, and it changes my IP address to some other location, by the help of which I will still be able to access the resource which is not accessible from my country. So this is how the things works. Now I'm going to start the second part of the video wherein I will practically show you guys how this thing works. I have already installed the VPN extension, like a VPN software, to my web browser. So this is my Chrome browser. As you guys can see, there is this small icon right here which is VPN software. So I'm going to go to Google and search for setup VPN. The first link is going to be the one which we are looking out for. I'm going to click on this, and this will open my Chrome web store. Now in my browser it shows remove from Chrome because I have already installed this extension to my Google Chrome. If you guys want, you guys can install this. So in your computer it might be showing something else in your browser. So if it shows install, click on install, and this extension will be installed on your Chrome browser. Now it will come here, right here. You'll have to click on this and you'll have to set up this extension on your Chrome browser. It may ask you to register. This registration is free. Again, this VPN service is free. I use this because it's a free VPN service and it works really great. Again, I'm not advertising this. I'm not getting paid for this, but this is something which I have searched and I like this. No website, no advertisement, nothing. Okay. So if you want, you can also use different VPN service. There are lots of them. You can use a lot of VPN service. Just type in VPN extensions in Google Chrome, and in Google you will be able to get a lot of them. but this works great for me, so I'm using this one. So it will ask you to set up for the first time. You'll have to provide your email ID, and you'll have to you know, put in the password for this for the first time. Once you do that, it will give you a different location once you open this. Okay, so I'm gonna close this for now. I'm gonna go to Google search, and I'll search for what's my IP location and press enter. Again, as I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna show you guys real time how this thing works. So this is my IP address. I'm gonna go for the third link right here. So as you guys can see, my location, it shows Mumbai, India here. And if I scroll down again in this map, it shows my location. So you'll have to just click on this icon right here, and you can select the location which will be your location for the next time if you connect to the internet. Now again, I'm gonna go to Google and type in what's my IP location, and I'll come for the same link again. And once I click, now as you guys can see here, it shows US, and if you can check out here, it shows that my location is Chicago, Illinois. So guys, that's how this thing works. Now whatever resources I will be accessing from internet, it will show the destination that I'm coming from a different location. So if I'm trying to access any website, it will show that website that I'm coming from Chicago, and it will allow me to access resource which was not accessible from my location. So that's it for today, guys. That's what VPN service stands for, and that's how it works. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys are new to my channel, please do support my channel, Adam's Tech Guide, by clicking on the red subscribe button right below the video. Thanks again for watching this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.